Hey guys, today we are going to be doing another custom showcase. Yeah, that's crazy, 2 in 1 day. Now today, I'm going to be doing something a little different. Instead of a wooden railway model, I'm going to be showing a Trackmaster model. And here, it's this guy, and subsequently, the rolling stock that I made with this guy. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a backstory. I will save that for when I actually make Charlie in Wooden Railway. But okay, basically how I made this. So the paint, I didn't actually even paint this guy. I used paint pens for this guy. So the blue, the red, the yellow, not the black or white, that I actually painted. And yes, he's got this weird, very weird bluish gray, very weird face. And then, it just got rolling stock. This guy's so we got 7-plank truck, van, and van. So, yeah, this is a very weird assortment. And obviously, as you could tell, he's Charlie. He's in his Wellsworth and Suttery livery, and he is number 2 in my headcanon. So, yeah, all of these guys as well were also made with paint pens. And yeah, I don't have much to say about them. Also, this, you can hardly read it, but it says defuse it. You know, like that one gunpowder, that one narrow gauge gunpowder van. Some reason I made this. I don't know. I don't really have much to say about these guys. So, thank you for watching, and goodbye.